Hi guys, for today's video I will show you how to download Pinterest GIF on your mobile phone. So let's get started. First, open the Pinterest application on your mobile phone and you can search on the search bar GIF to find some GIF that you want to save on your mobile phone, like this one. I will choose this one to save on my mobile phone, and then press and hold to the GIF and select or click send. As you can see right here, you will be able to send the GIF through Messenger, Facebook, or Instagram. And next, since we will be downloading the GIF to our mobile phone, look for the copy link you see on the, you see on below, like this one. Copy link, click copy link, and then exit on the applications and go to Chrome, and then search Pinterest downloader, and then go to export PHP, and then paste the link right here, and then click download. So right now you will be able to see the GIF right here, and above that you see download video file 720p or download video files 1080p. So I'll be selecting this one, press and hold, and then you can see right on the options download link. So click download link. And that's it. The GIF will be uploaded to your mobile phone. So we'll be accepting on this applications or on the Chrome to see if the GIF was already downloaded. So just a moment. So there you go. As you can see, the GIF was already downloaded on your mobile phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe for more videos and updates.